Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com, making this a small video about the Bitcoin. All right, so let's get started. So Bitcoin chart, I made this one is on March 15th. Oh, sorry, March the 5th. Pulling the fifth from here to here, 78% retracement. So I said maybe it's gonna bounce, and I put my buy order here. It went up a little bit and then dropped, boom, to the downside, a little bit more, and then came down here and then start to go up. And I found my entry again, and I got this trade, which I can show you here, right? So this is the trade that I got from that bounce. Now, the question is that what it is trying to do. What the heck is that? Here, see, it made equal resistance, right? Equal highs. Then it came down here and made equal low, and then start to go up. So I said, let's watch this, from here to here and see where the heck it is going. I made my entry here somewhere, and I got the trade. And here I noticed something that we have reached to this point. I pulled the fifth from here, the high, the low. My orders is still there. I didn't close it before I closed it after I took this picture. So it was at 61% pullback. And I said, it's a danger time, and it may drop. So I closed, right? I was well in profits. I closed. Let's close it and then not be, greedy. And it may go up all the way here. So I'll see, but this is enough. And a lot of times the price makes the turn from here. So I made another chart that this thing is going to come down here. And here, that's what happened. I closed my long and I made this chart. Says, okay, let it come down, then I will get it. So from here, it came down here exactly where I set at 23% line. So what the heck is X, A, B, C, D? I'm not trying to, learn ABCD of English language, right? But it has to be something. So basically, the next chart will show that what the heck is happening or what's cooking. There's always cooking, something cooking, right? So this is how it is. This is a bearish girdle pattern is in the making. Now, out there, conventional way is that once you have a pattern is finished at point D, then you trade. But you notice that how I am trading from point A to B, then from B to C. Obviously, this is the pattern that I don't trade like short side on Bitcoin, but Forex, yeah, you can trade easily. Forex pairs, short side, and that is also just as good as going long. But from here now, I'm again ready, and I'm waiting for my long entry. This is the current chart here. You can see that smaller, entry chart. This one and this one. So look, it's coming down. How many entries this chart gave me? From here, this is the entry. This is the entry. This one, this one, this one. All of this, whenever it is high, and then the price is touching at least the yellow line, is an entry. You see that? This one, this one, this one. So many entries. Similarly, when it start to go up, what I'm looking for is this. It wobbles here. If I make an entry here, maybe let's set it right. Oh, hold on. See this entry here? This is the entry, is all the way here, right? So when the price goes up here, I come and sit on a break even. It comes down and I'm out. So that happens. My SL hit, yes, but this is how it hits, right? But then it goes up again and gave me a long entry. I made an entry here, put my SL here. What happened to SL? Never hit. Over here, over here, over here, all of these entries. So this is the phenomena that I'm right now waiting. If it is going to go up, 90% chances are good, it's going to go up, but it may not, right? So if it continues dropping, I'm not going to see my entry, right? Continue dropping, they will drop. Like this is how it is now. The heck. See, I'm not gonna see long entry. It's not gonna go up. So if I don't have a long entry, I'm not gonna take a long trade. Either I'll take a short or no long, right? And short, I'm not interested at this point. So, and I don't even trade short. So forget about it. So I will wait from here, or maybe drop a little bit more, or a little bit more, or maybe here, or even maybe all the way here. But this is the idea that this is a classic harmonic pattern, diagram, the calculation. And just like I was expecting from B, point B, that's going to drop, maybe I'm right again and it will bounce. 90% of the time, my patterns and my charts like that are right on the dot. So hopefully this is going to bounce. I'll find my entry and go long. And when I do, I will post my trade and I'll show you how the first one that this is how I got the first one. Right, as soon as it start to go up, my entry is a little bit late. It was beeping. I was in the other room. I came and I saw, and then I hesitated. I look at the different charts. By the time it's like boom, 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 boom going. Says, okay, let me open it. So I open the trade, and then this is how it is. Bitcoin, when it moves fast. So be ready. So this is the chart that I'm waiting that it will go become bullish. Give me entry, and I will take those entries. Well, I usually take one entry and just hold on to it for until the next target reaches. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. And by the way, if anybody want to sign up, but you can't right now because my website is down, and it will be back up soon. It's down for maintenance and the name change. I'm changing the name of my website. It's going to be creativetradingsystems.com. creativetradingsystems.com. Why? Because I'm not going to do only Forex now. I'm doing the cryptos and gold, commodities, and obviously S&P 500, DAX, and stuff like that, stock market things. I'm starting the charts on those as well. So it will be, all around. So it's not only Forex. I said, well, let me just change the name. So that would be creative because I do a lot of creative mumbo jumbo here. You just saw it, right? This is how I trade Armani pattern. People open a trade once they have this point reached when the pattern is finished. I pinpoint the pattern way before I started trading from here. You just saw it, right? So I went there. I went from B to C now, came down here, and I'm expecting from C to D. And if it's gonna drop from there, I will get in again. I'll wait. I'll get out here, wait for a dip. Maybe we're gonna dip all the way, or maybe if you draw the trend line from here to here, it's gonna come down there, make a bullish setup again, and then we'll go up again, and I'll get in again. This is how it is: rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. According to the patterns or Elliott waves, you will be safe that way. So like I said, if you want to learn it, you have to subscribe or get a one-on-one course, but wait because my website is down. They said you have 20 to 48 hours. So it's been only less than a day. So maybe all day today and tomorrow. So it's going to be down. But when it will come up again, it will be creativetradingsystems.com. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.